Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning a wedding or helping someone put together their big day, you already know how important the invitations can be. They set the tone, spark excitement, and let your guests know exactly what kind of celebration to expect. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create a beautiful custom wedding invitation in Canva, complete with that classy, timeless touch of a wax seal, all using 100% free tools and with a digital or interactive finish. By the end, you'll have a stunning invitation you can send online or print out, and you don't need to be a design expert, I promise. All right, let's dive in. First up, head over to Canva.com. If you don't already have a Canva account, don't worry, you can sign up for free in just a minute or so. Once you're in, look for the button that says Create a Design. Go ahead and click that. This is where you'll choose what kind of project you're starting, and since we want an invitation, start typing wedding invitation right into the search bar. Canva will instantly suggest templates that are perfectly sized and laid out for this purpose, so you don't have to fuss with dimensions or guess at what will work best. If you've ever struggled designing from scratch, you'll really appreciate how much easier this makes things. Now you'll see a bunch of beautiful templates pop up right away, everything from minimalist modern to elegant florals or rustic vibes. Find one that feels closest to the theme or mood you want for your wedding. Don't worry if it's not exactly right, you can personalize every detail in a second. When you see one you like, just click it to open up your editing workspace. Here where the fun begins. Start by modifying the details in the template. Double-click on any of the text boxes to update the names, date, venue, RSVP info, whatever you want your guests to see. This part might take a few minutes if you want to get just the right wording or fonts. If you need more inspiration, think about how you'd introduce your special day in a way that feels true to you. Maybe it's formal and traditional, or maybe you want to keep it light and playful. Remember, the text is totally yours to change. And don't forget to double-check for typos. It's surprisingly easy to miss a little detail here. Once you've got the main details down, it's time to add that extra touch of charm, the wax seal. In Canva, head over to the Elements tab, which you'll find on the sidebar to the left. Think of Elements as your box of creative decorations, shapes, graphics, and little goodies you can sprinkle onto your design. In the search bar at the top, type in wax seal. You'll see a variety of options pop up: classic red seals, golden monograms, even some with floral designs. Click on the one that fits your invitation's look and drag it right onto your invite. You can resize it, move it around, and even layer it over text or corners, just like a real wax seal might be pressed onto an envelope. Experiment a little here, you really can't mess it up. If you want that old-world elegance, try placing it near the bottom or use it as a faux seal over a border or ribbon graphic. Once you're happy with how everything looks, and don't forget, you can always hit the preview button if you want to double-check it's time to finish up. Click the share button in the top right corner and then select the download option. For sending digital invites or for printing later, choose PDF as your download format, as this will keep your design crisp and high quality. And just like that, you've created a gorgeous personalized wedding invitation, complete with that classic wax seal flair, all without spending a dime. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, drop a comment if you have any questions or want to share your designs, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future creative how-tos. Thanks for watching and congratulations on your celebration.